Imagine putting a simple sign on your shop door that sells for you 24/7, nonstop, and without a salary. Sounds like science fiction, right? Today, I'm going to show you that it's not. Welcome to Madeja Digital, the podcast where we turn technology into your best employee. I'm your host, and this is episode 6. Today, we'll cover something practical you can implement this week. An AI agent your customers reach by scanning a simple QR code which captures leads, offers personalized recommendations, and delivers them to you automatically. Picture having a clothing store in London or New York. It's 6 p.m., 4 customers are inside, the phone rings, and a new person walks in, unsure what they want. You can't be in 2 places at once. One customer leaves without buying because no one helped them. This happens every day in thousands of small businesses. And the hidden cost is huge. It's not about bad intentions. It's simple math. One person can't be everywhere at once. That's exactly where AI steps in. Not to replace you, but to cover the gaps you physically can't fill. This is the starting point for everything we'll explore today. Now for the solution. We created Milo, an AI agent living inside a chat that your customers access by scanning a QR code you place on your window, counter, or even fitting room. The customer scans, a chat opens, and Milo asks what they're looking for, their size, and the occasion. Based on their answers, Milo recommends specific products from your catalog. Here's the best part. At the end, Milo offers to email the recommendations. The customer enters their email, and just like that, you've captured a qualified lead without lifting a finger. Milo never gets tired or stressed during busy times and can handle 10 customers at once without missing a beat. Let's take a quick peek behind the curtain because this matters. Everything Milo does is powered by a workflow in N8N, an automation tool that connects pieces like digital Lego. When the customer finishes chatting, N8N collects their name, email, and preferences, then automatically adds them to a Google Sheet you can check live on your phone. It also sends the recommendation email instantly. No human intervention needed. No programming skills required. The workflow is set up once and runs on its own. At Madeja, we configure it for you, test it together, and teach you how to interpret the results. Because technology is useless if you don't understand what it's telling you. Before we wrap up, here are 3 key takeaways. First, a QR code in your shop can literally be your best salesperson, always available with no extra cost. Second, automating doesn't require tech skills or a big budget. Tools like N8N handle the heavy lifting. Third, and most important, start small. You don't need to automate everything on day one. One agent, one QR code, one lead capture flow, that's already a real edge over your competitors. Digital transformation isn't a destination, it's a direction. Every step counts. This is Madeja, your AI team for small businesses. If you want us to build your Milo agent, QR code, and lead capture workflow together, visit madeja.digital now. Tell us about your business, and we'll prepare a tailored proposal. Until next time, keep digitalizing.